Whoa. Hey guys, so today we're going to do a video on these emoji spinners by Fireworks. And these are actually really interesting because they have these designs on the top here. I picked them up because they looked really cool. And the bottoms are actually kind of weird. Oh, that's actually the plastic holder. I thought that was the actual bottom of them, and I was like, wait a minute. Yeah. Emoji spinner by Fireworks. There doesn't seem to be a performance of any sort or any QR codes, so. But, yeah. Emoji spinners. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what these things do. It says, spins on ground, flammable, emits flame and sparks. And interesting font for the product number there. But yeah, let's go see what they do. So these things they've got really long fuses, and they're actually pretty big. Look at the size of my hand there. My hand's pretty big. And then there's the bottom of them. They've got some wording on there. Magic mask. I wonder if these are actually from some other kind of firework, because it says magic mask on the bottom there, and it says made in Liu Yang 2018. Whatever that says. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what this thing does. If my lighter will work. I've been having problems with this one lately. Yeah, this one's not gonna work today. I need to get another torch for down here because I can't really bring the tanks, the gas tanks in an airplane because we usually travel by plane here. That's not gonna work either. There we go. Whoa. Oh, that's cool. That is really cool. Nice little purple smoke effect there. And it kind of blackened the face on that. That's really creepy. I've never seen anything like that before. That's really cool. Let's try the happy face now. Come around this side because the wind's blowing to the other side. Got blue for that one. Really nice. That one didn't spin very well though. Then we got this second purple one here. I want to guess that's an unamused emoji. I'm not sure. Let's see what it does. So the purple ones are blue, and the red ones are purple. Pretty cool. That one probably worked the best out of them all so far. And we got another red one with the horrified face. Yep, purple again. Whoa, got some flame here. That's melting. There we go. That doesn't work too well on this concrete. It's kind of rough, but yeah, those are actually pretty cool. I like them. I'll definitely be finding some more of these because I'm sure the kids will really like these. Really nice little spinners. I can smell the plastic on that one because it's melting. Look at that. That is crazy. Yeah, emoji spinners by, I forgot the brand already. Firehawk. So yeah, pretty nice. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time with another video.